Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Reading a file from the resources folder in a Java application is a common task, especially when working with unit tests or when you need to access configuration files, test data, or other resources packaged with your application. Below is a comprehensive tutorial on how to read a file from the resources folder in Java, complete with code examples. Step 1, set up your project structure. Before you begin coding, ensure your project structure is set up correctly. A typical Maven project structure might look like this. In this structure, test-data.txt is the resource file you want to read during your tests. Step 2, adding the resource file. Add a file named test-data.txt to the src/test/resources directory. This file might contain some simple text, for example. Step 3, reading the file in your test. You can use the Java class loader to read the file from the resources. Below is an example of how to implement this in a JUnit test. Example code. First, ensure you have the necessary dependencies for JUnit in your pom.xml if you are using Maven. Now, you can create a test class that reads the file. Explanation of the code. 1 class loader, the get class, .get class loader, .get resource as stream, test-data.txt, retrieves the input stream of the resource file. If the file is not found, it will return null, which is checked using an assertion. 2 buffered reader, this is used to read the text from the input stream line by line. 3 string builder, used to accumulate the lines read from the file. 4 assertions, the test checks whether the content read from the file matches the expected content using assert equals. Step 4, running the test. You can run this test using your IDE's built-in test runner or from the command line using Maven. Conclusion. This tutorial demonstrates how to read a file from the resources folder in a Java application, particularly for unit testing. By following these steps, you can easily access any resource files needed for your tests, helping you to create robust and maintainable test cases.